If you want to research stocks like a smarter investor in 2026, then Seeking Alpha might become your new favorite investing website because this platform gives you powerful research tools that go way beyond simple stock charts and headlines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Seeking Alpha as an investor, what features actually matter, and whether this platform is worth your time and money in 2026. So first, Seeking Alpha is basically an investment research platform where you can analyze stocks, ETFs, dividends, earnings reports, and market trends all in one place. The platform is mainly designed for self-directed investors who want deeper research before buying stocks. When you first open the website, you'll see market news, trending stocks, analyst articles, and investing ideas from thousands of contributors. One of the easiest ways to use the platform is by searching for a company ticker like Apple, Nvidia, or Tesla in the search bar. Once you open a stock page, you'll immediately see price charts, analyst ratings, quant ratings, valuation grades, profitability scores, dividend grades, earnings data, and recent news about that company. One of the best features on Seeking Alpha is definitely the quant rating system because it quickly scores stocks based on value, growth, momentum, profitability, and analyst revisions. Many investors use this feature to quickly identify strong or weak stocks without manually checking every financial metric themselves. Another really useful feature is the article section because you can read both bullish and bearish opinions from different investors before making a decision. This is actually one reason why many people like Seeking Alpha because it helps you see multiple perspectives instead of only one analyst opinion. The platform also includes earnings call transcripts, portfolio tracking, stock alerts, dividend analysis, and advanced screeners that help investors discover new stock ideas faster. If you upgrade to Seeking Alpha Premium, you unlock unlimited articles, advanced tools, portfolio health tracking, and full access to stock ratings and screeners. According to many online reviews, experienced investors love how much research is packed into the platform, and many say it saves them hours of manual research every week. A lot of users also like the dividend tracking tools and the ability to monitor their portfolio from one dashboard. But there are some complaints you should know about. Many users say the platform is expensive, especially if you also want extra services like alpha picks, and some beginners feel overwhelmed because there is just so much information everywhere. Other users on Reddit also mention that some contributor articles can feel too opinion-based or even clickbait at times, so you should never blindly follow every stock recommendation you read. The smartest way to use Seeking Alpha is as a research tool, not as a magic stock picker. Personally, I think Seeking Alpha is one of the best investing research platforms available in 2026 if you actively research stocks and enjoy learning about companies before investing. But if you only buy index funds occasionally and don't spend much time analyzing stocks, then the subscription price may not be worth it for you. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you understand how to use Seeking Alpha as an investor, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite investing tool in 2026.